In the feudal era of Japan, the ninja had to have secret techniques to help them with camouflage and concealment. Now, one of these techniques that's been passed down is called Mogura-no-Ho. Now, this particular technique is found within the Doton-no-jutsu training of the Togakure Ryu. Now, this technique has been romanticized in lots of anime and ninja movies. I'm sure lots of you guys have seen some sort of ninja in the anime where they do some sort of kuji or spell, or then they spin down into the ground, or maybe you've watched one of those 1980s ninja movies where they throw a smoke bomb and then they're underneath the ground and they're hidden underneath the earth, or the Doton, right? To evade using the earth. Those kind of techniques, although very romanticized in the anime and the movies, do have their roots in something that's historically accurate. Now, the truth behind this particular technique of Mogura-no-Ho is the ninja is using the earth to conceal, to hide, to camouflage away from their target. Now, ideally, the way this would work is the ninja, this isn't something they would just do on the fly. They would gather the information and they would scope out the area and know exactly where their target walks, what time their target walks, and they really pick out the best spot of where they can hide and conceal themselves in the earth. Now, again, you can use this for infiltration, for evasion, all this kind of stuff. But this particular technique that we're talking about today, Mogura-no-Ho, it's written that you use the earth to conceal and you stay ready. And you can either attack the opponent or the target as they walk over you because you're under the earth, or you come out from the earth to then attack the particular target. Now, to do that, if you think about that, you're going to have to seriously put in the time to create the spot, conceal yourself in it, and make sure that you cannot be seen from someone walking by. So this isn't just a technique that one shinobi would do by themselves. This is something that multiple shinobi would do to prepare one individual agent to carry this technique out. And again, this technique is called Mogura-no-Ho, and it's from the Togakure Ryu.